Welcome to Best Pickup.
5 Best Power with Lathes New Model 2021. Top 5. 5. MicroLux 8x12 with Turner's Lathe. Spindle has 1-inch x8 TPI external threading. MicroLux 8x12 with Turner's Lathe is a combination of power, heft and durability. Compact in size but large in capability. Weight, 41 pounds loaded. Footprint, 28 inches long x 10 wide x 13 high. Top 4. 4. Jet JW L1640 EVS 16 inches x 40 wood lathe, 719,500. Versatility, 36 integrated indexing positions. Ideal speed, infinitely variable speed from 40 to 3,200 RPMs. Convenience, leg-mounted tool holder, and easy-to-access digital readout, DRO. Smooth movement tailstock features Acme threads. Added protection, inverter is completely enclosed. Top 3. 3. Mophorn wood lathe 12x 18-inch, benchtop heavy-duty wood lathe variable speed 500 to 3,800 RPMs, mini wood lathe regulation digital display. Variable speed, this 12x 18 inches wood lathe is featured with 550W powerful motor and variable speed with digital readings for you to work with precise speed. Work capacity, swing over bed 12 inches, 300 millimeters. 18 inches, 457 millimeters, distance between centers, swing over bed 10, 254 millimeters, 6, 150 millimeters, tool rest, 3, 75 millimeters, face plate, top drive and live center. Stable operation, cast iron constructed wood lathe with rubber feet, providing increased stability and smooth operation. Delicate workmanship. All gears and shafts in headstock have been precisely grounded and hardened for longer service life and mute operation. High-quality electronic units are applied throughout the machine. Application, benchtop wood lathe, an ideal tool for use in labs, workshops, engineering and education. Top 2. 2. Grizzly Industrial H8259-10x18 benchtop wood lathe. Motor, 1/2 horsepower, 110V, single phase. Amps, 7. Swing over bed, 10 inches. Distance between centers, 18 inches. Swing over tool rest, 6-1/4. Top 1. 1. Jet JW L1221 vs 12 inches x 21 variable speed wood lathe, 719,200. Versatility, 24 integrated indexing positions. Convenience, easy to reach controls in DRO. Optimal speed, choose from 60 to 3,600 RPMs. Innovation, ratchet-style belt tension system, patent pending. Onboard storage, 2 handy tool caddies.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.